3D printing. Printing used to only be for paper, but thanks to technology, printing actual objects is now possible. 3D printing is the process that creates three-dimensional objects by forming layers of material. Through computer control, a 3D printer can produce objects of any color and shape. It is also referred to as additive manufacturing. Stereolithography involves adding layers by curing photopolymers with ultraviolet light lasers. How does 3D printing work? First, a 3D model is created using a computer-aided design package or CAD, involving a 3D scanner or a digital camera, and a photogrammetry software, which is capable of making measurements from photographs. Using CAD creates 3D printed models with reduced errors and allows correction and verification in the design before proceeding to the actual printing. A 3D printed model comes in an STL or stereolithography file format. Advertising. It fills up commercial breaks on TV and billboards along highways. Advertising is a form of marketing communication that aims to promote or sell a product, service, or idea. Advertising can come in audio and visual forms of different styles and creative techniques. It is most commonly sponsored by businesses that wish to promote their products or services. Advertising can be traced back to ancient times. Egyptians used to make wall posters using papyrus to display sales messages. In the ruins of Pompeii and ancient Arabia, displays containing advertisements and political campaigns were found. Cloud storage. Wondering where you could stock the bulk of all your files in your computer? Cloud storage has got you covered. Cloud storage is a set of logical pools in multiple servers where digital data can be stored. An internet hosting service company owns and runs the internet servers, in which organizations and individuals may buy or lease storage capacity where they can upload their digital data. A type of internet-based computing known as cloud computing was developed to provide shared computer processing resources and data to different devices, such as laptops, desktops, smartphones, tablets, and others. It is believed to have been invented by Joseph Carl Robnet Licklider sometime in the 1960s. His project aimed to connect people and data from any place and time.